Hey there! Are you ready to take your breakfast game to the next level? Today we're going to show you how to make delicious homemade bagels that will rival any New York-style bagel shop. We'll be sharing our recipe and tips for making the perfect dough and shaping the bagels. So grab a notebook and let's get started! First things first, let's talk about what you'll need for this recipe. For the dough you'll need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 package instant yeast, 1 cup warm water, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon malt syrup or barley malt powder, optional. For the boiling step, 10 cups water, 1/4 cup baking soda. Prepare the dough. Now let's make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Slowly pour in the warm water and mix until a dough forms. Next, knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, cover the dough with a towel and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it doubles and becomes puffy. Shape the bagels. After the dough is risen, take a small piece of dough and shape it into a ball. Then, poke a hole in the center of the ball and shape it into a ring. Place the shaped bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let them rise for an additional 20 minutes. Boil the bagels. While the bagels are rising, bring the water and baking soda to a boil in a large pot. Carefully place a few bagels at a time in the boiling water and let them cook for about 1 minute on each side. This step gives the bagels their characteristic chewiness and shine. Bake the bagels. After boiling the bagels, place them back on the baking sheet and brush them with an egg white. You can also add toppings such as sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or kosher salt at this point. Bake the bagels in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes or until they are golden brown. Tips and variations. To make the perfect homemade bagels, it's important to use high gluten flour and malt syrup or barley malt powder, which gives the bagels their characteristic flavor. You can also experiment with different toppings and flavorings such as garlic, onion, or cheese. And there you have it! Our recipe for making delicious homemade New York-style bagels. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to share your results with us, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time!